My name is Amanda Stamm. I'm a marketing and innovation project manager based in Chicago. My background is in quick service restaurants, primarily from McDonald's Corporation. I worked there for 2 years on the global mobile app, driving strategy and determining offers for all of the regions within the United States. As a marketing and innovation project manager, I handle the day-to-day marketing efforts for the company, as well as handle all of our trade show and convention presence for all of our different clients throughout the US and globally. To me, Acrelec was an exciting company to join because of all the growth opportunities and innovation opportunities that we have with all of our different clients around the globe, whether it be in quick service restaurants, retail, or all the other markets that we work with. I am also extremely excited to announce that we are almost through the completion of our Chicago office, renovating that so that we have a full showroom for our clients that come to visit us, which is in the West Loop. Come and say hi. And then we will also be opening an office in Paris to drive growth of our teams on the innovation scale, marketing, and all of our product teams.